Happy New Year! Wow, it's 2023 already. It's as if the days, weeks, and months are running by so quickly. But nonetheless, we're about to make this year another spectacular year. Welcome to PBCJ's E-Volve. I'm your host, Alicia, and this episode is all about enjoyment, about different events, stories, and new music. Let's get right into it. Dancehall artist Idonia, given name Sheldon Lawrence, and his wife Kimberly Megan made an appearance at the Sands Festival on New Year's Day for the first time after the passing of their son. He brought her center stage and made a heartfelt statement to her publicly about how strong she is and how grateful he is to have her hold it down for him even when he wasn't there. I just love. Take a look.
Part of me die when my son died, dog, you hear? But I still love a ornament man there, sir, you hear? Jamaica dancehall, you hear? Come here. Eh? Watch out now. You're not going to make a smile, because you're not a smile for nobody, you know. So not to put a smile on your face, you know. Because you're a warrior, you know. Because from 2019 till now, no people know who I got show. And I hold it down for the phone, enough time to care to do it. Here and admin see my son and you did it. With him and hold it out, you see me? So that I put a smile on your face, I'm wanting to pick up she, because she's a real girl. She's a real empress. She's a real queen. Yeah, you have to smile, you have to laugh. You see me, because we lose the son and everything, but we can overcome, you know. Jamaica love you, the people love you, God love you, your family love you, your friends love you. You hear that? So we can overcome, so that's strong. You know what thing though, you see?
Trinidad and Tobago's calypsonian Leroy Callis, known to his many fans as Black Stallion, dies at 81. The quintessential Caribbean man singer performs songs that examine issues of colonialism and oppression. Rest easy, Black Stallion. You are indeed a true calypso veteran. Condolences to your family and friends from the E-Volve team. Reggae sensation Protege performed Hills from his Grammy-nominated album The Third Time's the Charm, live on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon on Wednesday, January 4th, 2023. Here's a bite of what took place.
Reporting to you live from Irish Town, Jamaica. Oh yes, man. Reggae music is forever. Jamaicans at yard or abroad. Let's go. Woo. Man, I've been up in the hills, you know. Hey, like hideaway, no sign of me. Hey, steam up 3 times a day, find my way. Man, I've been up in the hills, you know. Hey, I get my privacy, like finally. Hey, no bad vibes side of me, in my domain. Man, I've been up in the hills, you know. Hey, like hideaway, no sign of me. Hey, steam up 3 times a day, find my way. Man, I've been up in the hills, you know. I get my privacy, I mind my business. They talking, I ain't listening.
It's the 29th year of Tony Rebel's annual Rebel Salute. 29 years of pure niceness, and this year it's being held on January 20 through to the 21st at the Grizzlies Plantation Cove in St. Anne. It's set to give patrons a show to remember. Something to remember. We went to the lounge, which is kind of a pre-show because the vibe was right. No more long talking. Here are the highlights. anywhere. Stay with us. We'll be right back with more PBCJ's E-Volve. And we are back with more PBCJ's E-Volve. And we're in 2023, guys. Just wow. I remember when I was a child saying, oh, what I wanted to be in 10 years from that time. And now I'm a whole, you know what? Never mind. You think I was going to tell you my age? Nope. Just know I'm your girl, Alicia. Let's get into the show. Boy, oh boy. Time really flying now. The Sands Festival was epic. The crew wasn't there, but to all it go on and the world talking about it, we had to get the connect for us. Us, meaning we, to see what took place. Thanks to 2 Grand TV, we could all watch and enjoy various performances of the events. Here are the highlights.
Without no further delay, Sheldon, where are they at? Sheldon, where are they at? Sheldon, where are they at?
I can lose somebody with them love and forward out test and perform to them fans them. I knew you and the people living at them good clothes and things, but I don't want to wait up themselves. But me I say, Jaja falling! That is it, man. Big up on yourself, they hear that thanks. True.
Kings, why you there? Sons, why you there? Oh, they can't sing? Oh, they can't sing loud? Who are you on the road? How did I hear from here now? Sing! I can't hear you! 2, 3, ha! Watch out! Respect my man as a brother. You don't have to do that. Pay one more. Get it and pick up yourself, my father. You know what the thing for? We are one family, no brother. And that's a bunch of brother. You don't think of man. And that's a man who don't think. No, think that thing that I mean, everybody remember me. Hey, I mean, think. Hey, no, think.
Mecca Awards was an award show for culture and entertainment indeed. We took the time out to catch up with Rosemary Murray Tingling, the person behind it all, to give us some insight of the event. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Rosemary Tingling, and I am the Programming and Production Manager at Whirlwind International, and also the producer of the Mecca Awards 2022. It's about time that we do something for ourselves to celebrate what is ours. It's been a while since we've had any big award ceremony, and we thought that, you know, usually after the foreign awards, we always get a little bit of rattle and, you know, sort of upstir about who was nominated and who is Jamaican and who is not. And because we are a Pan-African company and we live true to ourselves by celebrating ourselves, the managing director, Michael Dawson, said, look, we are going to do this. We are going to do an award that's going to be nominated by the people because it's free entertainment, it is free votes, it's our awards. So we decided that it would be the people who would do the nomination. So we had to create, first of all, the categories. This being an entertainment business, we have the support system. We have the persons, the taxi drivers, we have the beauty salons, we have the fashion designers, we have the jerk chicken man. You know, we have all of these people who are in support of entertainment. And so we decided that we would create categories that would be inclusive of all of these persons. Once we created the categories, we put it out on social media, and we asked persons to nominate in these various categories. I'll be honest with you, some of the categories never did receive any nominations, so we had to do away with it because we wanted to be honest and be nominated by the people out there who have been patrons and who have supported entertainment through all of this time. So the people who mattered to them, we really wanted them to nominate these persons. So once we pushed that out, we got in the nominations. We did what we would call the top 5 of all the nominations in each category. Some, like I said, did not receive a nomination, and so we said we will, have better planning and possibly push out a little earlier for next year, for the second staging. This is the inaugural staging, and as you know, you will have to tweak and you will have to do some adjustment and that sort of a thing. But from the categories that persons nominated, we came up with some very, very, very good nominations, interesting ones. We're all about developing young talent as well and helping them to grow. And so we have a number of acts. Of course, you can't have any awards without some entertainment. So we have Andon, who had entered another competition some time ago, another popular competition, and he had come all the way up the ranks, kind of a different artist. We have Kamiko, who is a rising young star, young lady. And we also have Avanti, who will be gracing us. It's a graduate from Edna Manley and a young artist with great, great potential and some great tracks. And of course, we had to throw some big name in there. So we have Dance Expressions who are going to come live now to place that thing, yes? But we do expect that with award ceremonies, sometimes part of the fun is just the acceptance speeches and just the reaction of the crowd. So we do hope, and we've planned it that way, that this really will be a nice, vibrant evening. Not long and drawn out, but we've planned it so that it will be spicy and it will do what it was designed to do. She got nominated, even although she had passed on. She was nominated in one of the categories. Because it would not be relevant, other influencers made contact with MD, with Michael Dawson, and said, look, we know that it would not be relevant because she's not active, but because of all that she'd done before, we would like to do a posthumous award to her and her family. And so it was decided by management that we would accommodate that. So that actually came from a number of other influencers who wanted to do this. The plan going forward is to tweak all of the little shaky things that happened and really have it running in a really, really smooth manner, fine-tuning some of the guidelines, and to have a bigger and better award in year number 2, and for it to grow and really grow into, international acclaim and get international respect.
And on that note, we'll be right back with more PBCJ's E-Volve right after this break. I'm about to kick the vibes up a notch, so welcome back to PBCJ's E-Volve. I'm your host, Alicia. Intimate. The show was more than intimate. Buju Banton and Barry Salmon, you guys gave us music lovers a show to remember. It was straight enjoyment with music that feeds the soul. Old school groove mixed with a little surprise of new era entertainment. Subtle but super amazing. Here's a look at what took place.
Yo, show go on, man. We are party, we enjoy ourselves. We love the fun, we love the entertainment, we love the package. Singing melody and lush, just crush it. Can't wait to see Buju.
Alright, so the theme of the show is Intimate Night. Are you feeling the intimacy?
Yeah,
Are you feeling the serenity? team?
Yeah, man. No, man, definitely. Definitely. We can't wait for next year.
Thought I could live without you. Thought it would take me 5 years. So nothing special about you. Still you played in my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last thing in my life. Presently you're the most wanted. That's how I say.
With vibes as per usual. With that being said, we go straight into this week's new music. Intense with Deeds, Chronicler with Beast Mode, Rome with Post Him, and Destra with Fuego. Take a look.
I'm gonna do it, back against one day. I'm gonna do it when you don't and you're stranded. Of course, me and friend, we are family. And of course, me and family, we call friend.
Me a smile with pain in a me. We come from a place rainfall with flames in a head. Me a see sun, but me feel cold. I'm on me time for me reach home. We want to know who's the man. You do show on Instagram. Why you do? Put him up, put him up, put him up. Make him out, make him out.
Yeah, dale para abajo, abajo que hago donglo. Yeah, dale para abajo, abajo que hago donglo trabajalo. Yeah, walking like you want to, bend over trabajalo.
Happy New Year once more to you and yours from the E-Volve team. I'm Alicia, and you've just watched PBCJ's E-Volve. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Also, if you have a story to share, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Remember to live an entertaining lifestyle. Walk good.